right, let's take a moment to review the investigation kit for cart energy and cup movement. You will receive enough materials for 8 groups, but each group will receive 1 track tower, 1 length of track, a cart. Now, note, when you get your cart and wheels the first time, the wheels will probably not be attached to the cart. They just snap on, very easy. You'll get a cloth measuring tape, a clear plastic cup, a stopwatch, and several washers. To assemble the track with the track tower, you're just going to slide the track onto the track tower. A suggestion I have is to go ahead and perhaps tape this track tower to the table so that it doesn't move around while the students are doing the investigation. Another helpful hint is to go ahead and take your plastic cup and turn it upside down so it has a little bit of a wider base so it doesn't fall over quite as easy. So in this investigation, students are trying to find a mathematical relationship between a variable that they choose to change and the distance that the cup moves once it's hit by the cart. Variables might include different places on the track, changing the distance that the cart travels. They might change the mass of the cart by stacking on washers. Students are also provided with a stopwatch in case time is a variable they want to explore as well.